Welcome back to the Mekong Flood and Drought Forecast channel. This is Supanat from the Mekong River Commission. Let's start with the Super Typhoon RAGASA update. This morning, the center of Super Typhoon RAGASA was located over the East Sea with maximum sustained wind of 202 to 271 km/h, moving closer toward the northern coast of Vietnam at about 20 km/h. From 23rd to 25th September, the Super Typhoon is expected to move toward the Gulf of Tonkin, Vietnam, and weaken into a tropical storm. From 25th to 27th September, the storm will continue moving west to southwest at around 20 km/h, weakening further as it crosses into the upper part of Laos. Due to the impact of the storm, from 25th to 26th September, heavy rainfall is expected into the northern part of Laos, with rainfall amount of 50 to 80 mm per 24 hours, and some area exceeding 80 mm per 24 hours, including Luang Prabang, Xieng, Vientian, Bolikhamsai, and 𝗧𝗏. The heavy rainfall may increase the risk of flash floods, river overflow, and localized flooding in this area. Residents in the mentioned area, please stay alert and take necessary precautions. Let's move on to the rainfall forecast this week. In the next 5 days, from 23rd to 27th September, isolated thunderstorm and moderate to heavy rains are expected in the upper and central part of Laos, the northeastern part of Thailand, the eastern and northern part of Cambodia, and the 3S basins. Affected areas are Luang Prabang, Xieng, Vientian, Bolikhamsai, 𝗧𝗏, Kham Muan, Sawanakhet, Salawan, Sekong, Attapur in Laos, Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai, Amnat-Charoen, Bương Cạn, Buri Ram, Chayapum, Khon Kaen, Loi, Nong Bualampu, Roet,ศรีสะเกษ Surin, Ubon Ratchathani, Udon Thani, Yasothon in Thailand, Kraja, Mundun Kiri, Pravihia, Ratanakiri, Satung in Cambodia, and Kon Tum, Gia Lai, Dak Lak in Vietnam. Moving on to the update on the flood situation in the Mekong River. Today, water level at all stations along the Mekong mainstream are in normal conditions. In the next 5 days, water level at all stations in the mainstream are expected to rise from 0.1 to 1.1 meters. However, the information provided here is meant for easy communication to the public. Please check out our website, report, and download the One Mekong mobile app for more technical details and get the more updates from communities. You can also support our communities by sharing photo and video updates through the iReport feature on the app. Your contribution helps improve flood alert and preparedness across the regions. That's all for today's update. Don't forget to tune in every Monday for the latest on rainfall, water level, flood, and drought conditions in the Mekong River Basin. Goodbye for now.